the region is unavailable in dark and darker. Okay, we're going to fix this problem, okay, in the game dark and darker, okay, step by step. Okay, the first step for the solve this problem, it's you go here, okay, go here and you go to the scrolling down, okay, and go to the your PC, okay, and here you go to the unit C, okay, and here you have two carpets, okay, and I'm go here, okay, and here you go to the carpet of dark and darker, okay. I'm for example I'm go to the carpet steam, you go to the dark and darker, and here you go to the point exe of okay of dark and darker, right click and go to the properties, and here you go to the option compatibility, okay, and you click here, okay, and you select Windows 8, okay, and you click this option, okay, run as administration, okay, and you applicate and accept, okay, and you reboot your PC and start, okay, the PC, and okay, you go to the here, okay, okay, and here, okay, you reinitiate the PC and you solve the problem. Bye bye.